Hi, my name is Amardeep Kaur. I'm an international dentist from India. I came in Canada in 2019 and I started exploring for the AFK study material, and my friend recommended the Scholar Dental, and with her very positive reviews I joined the course. All the teachers of the Scholar Dental, they are very hardworking and concerned about each and every student. The material provided by Dr. Ahmed is so comprehensive and easy to understand. I literally fell in love with it. The mock exams really helped me and I felt no anxiety at all during my exam. I would like to thank Dr. Ahmed, Dr. Hazir and Dr. Sharif for always boosting my confidence during my preparations. Thank you so much. I literally love the course. I really recommend it to everybody.